What's up, everyone? Today is it's a Wednesday. We don't feel like cooking, and it's actually a really nice day out. It's like probably 75 degrees. So we're just gonna mosey on down our street. We're gonna go have maybe have a beer, but we'll have some dinner, and we're gonna bring you along. So let's go. All right. So this is actually our garden. That's our building right there. And that's the door to get inside our part of the building, and we're on the bottom. And we got a two-level loft, and this is our garden that all summer has been in construction. So under the ground there's like these huge pipes, and they replaced them all, so you can see it's kind of fresh, the grass. They just seeded it. So yeah, so all summer it's been under construction, even inside our apartment, and it's still under construction. It was going on I think it's 10 weeks now. So hopefully by Christmas our inside of the apartment will be finished. Okay, ready? Okay, so through this tunnel, we got Coca-Cola man. Okay. Okay, he just stopped. Okay. Let's go this way. Okay, so right here we have News Cafe. We usually have a beer here. We're gonna come back, but this is a really cool cafe. It's one of the original cafes in Minsk, where all of the expats go to. But we're gonna go to the President's Hotel, and we like to go there and get a beer. It's really cold beer, and it's only 5 rubles. It's less than $2. Okay, here's the other side of our building, and here's where Katya gets her hair done. They took down that sign, but it's called Woman's Day, and that's where she gets. They're actually right next door to us, and we share a common door in the hallway. So, and then right over here is the theater. We have yet to go to the theater, but it's literally right next door to us. And then across the street, Katya, what's the name of it?
Резиденция президента Республики Беларусь.
Oh yeah. So this is supposedly where Lukashenko sleeps, probably one of his.
Working.
What? That's where he works.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sometimes. Because he has many residents.
Oh, he has many residents, yeah. But that's one of them. It's one of them. And frequently you see military police guarding the building, as you can see right there. And we're going right there. That's called the President's Hotel. Okay, all right. So here's the President Hotel. It's the staircase going up. I usually, maybe once a week, I'll have lunch here, because it's really inexpensive. You can get a full lunch for probably $6-7. So I like it.
Let's go to art store. They have interesting art store.
Okay. All right. And a lot of the time.
First.
Okay, you want to go there first? Okay. And right here is like an outside cafe. It's really nice, and this is where we have the beer. It's very nice. Okay, here's the entrance. Right. Okay. Is this the art museum right here? Okay. Let's take a look. Oh, is it closed?
No. Astahov. Astahov.
Oh, yeah. Look. How much is that? Oh, wow. Nice. So the prices are on the QR code?
No, if you're interested in something, she will say.
Oh, okay. Wow. And where are these figures from? Where are these figures from? The artwork. Is it from
Mostly from Belarus.
Belarus?
Yes.
From like the 14th, 15th century, maybe?
No, it's contemporary art.
Oh, okay. It's very, very unique. Okay.
Okay. Спасибо.
Okay, let's go get a beer.
Yes.
Так вот долго ждать. Вот. И просто я что думаю, машину просто забирать, просто потом.
₹5. You want to sit here? I'll sit here.
Можно нам два бокала Old Prague? Old Prague, пиво светлое.
All right. All right.
Спасибо.
Спасибо.
Могу забрать? Да.
Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers. That was not as warm.
Yeah, warm.
I forgot. It's happy hour. So we got these beers for 3 rubles a piece, which is less than $1. It's like 95 cents. So that was a nice surprise. I don't usually go for happy hour, so very nice.
Let's go.
All right, let's go.
Let's go.
All right. You just
Where we
wanted
go?
you just wanted to do the walk one more time, huh?
Yes.
Okay.
Where we go to art store
Yeah.
and show another art store.
All right, let's do it. We're going to an art store. Okay, here's our building again. See that balcony right up there? There's 2 dogs up there. And Obi and these dogs do not like each other. So they're in our building. Just thought I'd show that. Okay, right ahead, right kitty corner to our building, we have another theater. And what's it called, honey?
Театр Янки Купалы.
Oh, okay. It's very beautiful. We did a video there last year. We actually crashed a party inside the cafe there. So, okay, All right. So we're gonna take you to an art store before we go to dinner. So let's go. And there's our street. Karl Marx Street. Okay. What? I know. It's red. I know. Oh, we have a train station here. Underground. Another entrance to the train station down there, or across the street. All right, let's go. Okay, here's one of the main streets going through Minsk. It's called Independence Street.
11 kilometer. This
Oh, really? Oh, it's
Yeah.
11 kilometers long. That's a long street.
yeah.
A lot of traffic. Right now, it's about 6:15 in Minsk. So people are coming home from work. You got the underground there. No, we just go in.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're gonna go in. It's like a cafe on the left, I believe, and on the right there's watches. It's all Belarusian made. So there's the cafe, and then these are all Belarusian watches. So this is men's, right?
No, for men's is
Oh, men's is here. Yeah. Actually, I like one of these watches. I like the one in the middle. And that one is 1,599 rubles. So that's right around $500 for that watch. So it's not too bad. Not too bad at all.
and it's with Switzerland.
This?
So
Oh, this is Switzerland? Swiss
no,
watch?
together.
Oh, together. So they partner, Belarus and Switzerland. Okay. And these are women's watches. So if I was going to buy you one, Katya, I would buy you this one.
100 rubles.
Yeah. $30. I'll buy you a $30 watch. These are men's watches as well, right?
I buy for you too this one, 100 rubles.
This one? Yeah.
No, it's expensive one, 39. I
It's
buy
not,
you
it's
one.
not that expensive. And what's the name of this brand?
Luch.
Mooch. Okay. These are a little bit more.
It's really nice.
They're about $100 to $200 for these watches here.
I have cheap
Mm-hmm.
watch and they're very expensive.
All these are about the same. Yeah. These are not expensive at all. This is what your grandma would wear. And these are men's watches right here, right? Yeah. These are about $100 to $200. Same thing, about $100 for these watches. Okay.
Here's a 150. It's special design.
So it's 500 rubles for that. Yeah. So like $150.
And this look, they made like a Minsk city.
Oh, like a
Design.
design, yeah. All
Look.
500.
It's special collection.
Yeah. Luch.by. Luch.belarus. Okay. All right. On to the next art store. Okay. So these restaurants with the terrace, I usually go after I go to the gym, and my favorite is Pizza Tempo. So you can get a nice lunch special with a medium pizza. We ate there today, Katya, and a couple waters, and she had she had like a cappuccino. It was $13. And that was full, and she was full.
And we had lunch.
Yeah, lunch.
Lunch and pizza.
Yeah. And this is French restaurant, right?
Right.
This is French restaurant that we like to go to. Monet. And they're very friendly in here. We love it. We absolutely love it. And right here we have a very famous Belarusian restaurant, because they have Belarusian cuisine. It's called Vaziki. So a lot of draniki and a lot of different flavors of draniki with meat and different sauces, but very popular among Belarusians. It's very inexpensive, good quality food, good atmosphere. Here we go. Here's the art store we want to go to. Katya has something in there she wants. I think she's going to show us. She's going to show you what she wants for the apartment. Yeah, they have great artwork here. Let's go in here. Look at that. This is actually would be really nice for the loft. By the gray cement wall. But unfortunately, I'm not a motorcycle fan. Maybe jeans. Okay. Oh, here we go. Katya wants that. It's a pineal gland. Symbolizes a pineal gland. 1,400 rubles. So that's about $300. It would look really good in our window though, in the loft.
Полые, да?
Да, ну, вес такой нормальный.
Сколько вы сказали?
655.
What?
That's nice.
Yeah, that's
600.
so like $200. Yeah.
It's nice
Okay.
too.
Yeah.
That too.
Модный артишок. Модный артишок.
Покупают? Покупают, а потом опять вы выставляете, да?
Нет, были маленькие. Нет, вот он, который стоит, он у нас один. У нас других таких не было. Которые маленькие, все разошлись. Такие в ладошку
Вот,
были.
мы не видели в ладошку.
Они быстро ушли, они вот прямо такие маленькие.
Они были в какую цену?
Один был больше 100 рублей, что-то,
Да
другой
вы что?
330.
Не
что-то.
будет больше?
Может будет. Ну, пока нету. Все, что могу сказать.
We had small.
Даже меньше.
Oh, you have the smaller
no,
one.
no, and they sell it.
So more. Okay. If we wanted more than one, we could buy.
Ладно,
Okay.
надо приходить смотреть.
Ну, на самом деле там можно
Okay.
пару дней погулять.
We have other artwork in here too.
Это все одного мастера?
The Last Emperor. Wow. It's quite expensive. Oh, this is cool right here. It's like Minsk. That's cool. Actually looks like Prague, Charles Bridge. $15,900 rubles. Wow. That's like $5,000 for that. Okay. Can you buy that for me for my birthday? $5,000.
No. But look, 120 rubles. We can buy this.
Yeah.
We can buy
Well, why,
this.
honey? I don't really want that.
Or 180 rubles. We can buy that one.
Are you a reptilian, honey? Okay. All right.
About
Oh.
price, yes.
Yeah. Do you know what city this is?
What's
That's it.
that? Where?
This right here. This photo right here.
Maybe Prague?
Yeah, it looks like Prague. Looks like the architecture of Prague, for sure. Okay, let's go get dinner. You want to get dinner? Let's go get dinner. Let's go. We'll come back here. We're gonna get that. We're gonna get that.
It's really nice.
They can order
photo.
another one. If it's gone, they can order another
And
one.
this picture.
Okay. Okay, that can go right next to you on your side of the bed. All right. Okay, let's go. Let's go get dinner. So we got Bjork here in Belarus, and it's another name here in Belarus. I have an espresso machine. I have this one. In the United States, it's like $700, but here it's like $1,300. So hopefully I can, if I want to get it maintenance, they'll help me out. It's very expensive here. This toaster is probably $1,000 for that toaster. You ready? You want to go hit? Okay. All right, let's go. Where are we going? Okay. Let's do it. Okay, so we're gonna go to the Martinique restaurant. It's a very cool restaurant because it's right near an apartment that Kati has to go to. Kati is a apartment, your property manager. She has like 8 apartments all in the center, and she has 5 professional Belarusian tennis players coming to stay at one of the apartments. So she's gotta go collect the money because they're arriving soon. So I'm gonna go to the Martinique, have a beer, and then when she comes, we're gonna have dinner.
Okay.
All right? Okay. Okay. It's Martinique. Go ahead. You go first, honey.
No.
Okay.
Where you want to sit? Inside? or
What you
outside?
want? Okay.
Where you want to sit? Inside or outside?
What do you want? Maybe inside. Let's go inside. Go to the chair.
Здравствуйте, мы можем к бару пройти?
Okay. Wow, look at this.
Here is
We
a
come here a lot. We never eat, but we usually have a beer right here. Because I'm always waiting for her to go collect money from clients that are coming into town and checking in on the apartment. And this is where I come and wait for her. So where do you want to go?
No, show this.
Oh
nice
yeah.
flower.
There's flowers. People on the deck. Okay. Let's have a beer while we're waiting for your clients. Okay. Let's go to Pellegrino's for dinner. We'll have a nice pizza, maybe a beer. Your customers are happy?
Yes.
How many athletes? 5? 4? 5.
3 guys and 1 girl.
Oh wow. In one apartment. Oh. Well, good for them. Okay. This is nice.
Okay, let's ask. Нет, мы вдвоем. Да.
Да, да.
Maybe you want to sit.
Oh, let's sit right here. Maybe right there.
Есть такие вот диванчики, да?
You want
Okay,
to
right.
sit?
How about right there?
Здесь?
Да, пожалуйста.
Okay. Yeah, sit right there. It's perfect. Okay. Yeah, we got a nice view of everything. The waiters come out that door. It's good.
Yes.
All right. Okay. Let's order. Oh, what do we got here? I'm gonna get a pizza.
I can put my purse here.
All right. Okay. I think we made a choice. We're gonna get pizza caprisosa. It's tomato sauce, mozzarella, bacon, mushrooms, artichokes, peppers, olives, oregano, cherry tomatoes, buffalo mozzarella, I guess some more oregano. All right, sounds good. And then we'll get a beer. All right. Okay. Let's go. Oh. Can we sit outside?
Можем присесть.
Outside?
А?
Let's sit outside.
Outside is full.
Oh.
We can sit here.
All right.
Хорошо.
Let's sit over there.
It's a restroom here. And,
Okay. All right.
I sit here.
Okay.
And they have macaroni,
Oh, they're selling pasta, olives.
limoncello.
Okay.
No, I like this place.
All right.
Like
We'll stay. Oh, look, they have YouTube.
they have Litska.
Oh, there we go. Yeah. Oh, by the way, we left Pellegrino because they didn't have. All they had was dark beer. They had nice pizza, but I don't like dark beer. So this is why we're here.
And they have not nice pizza.
Yeah.
Sheriff said.
I don't think so. Okay, Katya. So we got a carbonara pizza for what, 28 rubles? And then how much are these beers?
7.5.
7.5, so 15. So 43 rubles for a pizza and 2 beers, which is how much?
How much?
It's like $13. It's like $13. And we get this atmosphere. It's a small little Italian pizza restaurant or Italian restaurant. And we got nice YouTube videos. It's very nice. Okay, there's our carbonara pizza. Looks delicious. Thick crust too. Got the ham, the cheese. Nice. Okay, bon appetit. Oh, they have an ice cream maker. Nice.
Конечно. Подожди.
Nice. Go ahead. You can try it. Try it. Oh, thank you. Very nice. Can I try it?
Yeah. It's nice. Спасибо.
Оп.
Oh, thank you. Very good.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, we just had our dessert. That was actually delicious. That was really nice. They had an ice cream maker or gelato because that was an Italian restaurant. Okay, so that's about the end of the video. We're heading home. It's a school night. It's 8:30, so hopefully I can get in bed by 9. Until next time, ciao.
Ciao.